Today, we are thrilled to unveil this exclusive project executed by Crystal Pool, where elegance, relaxation, and sophistication come together in one secluded space. Join us as we take you on a mesmerizing journey through our basement pool, where tranquility and serenity meet modern design. Crystal Pool's expertise shines through every detail of our basement swimming pool. With a sleek and modern design, it fits seamlessly into the surrounding architecture. Delight in the gentle flow of the pool's water features, creating a calming ambience that soothes your senses and washes away the stresses of the day. As the natural light dims, the enchanting underwater lighting takes over, transforming the pool into an enchanting retreat for evening relaxation and enjoyment. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour of our basement pool project, executed by Crystal Pool. Like and subscribe for more extraordinary designs and inspirations.